Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching Daily Financial News on Insta TV. Despite the fact that the US statistics failed to encourage investors yesterday, Forex market participants are still interested in the currency of the United States. According to the data, the US construction sector remains weak. However, building permits contraction eased in December. Over the last month of 2014, the number of building permits issues in the US was down by 1.9% to 1.32 million, though most analysts had predicted a 1.2% increase. Frustration at the data was short-lived, and traders not only kept their long dollar positions but also boosted their purchases. Such reaction is quite justified on the back of the recent actions by the central banks of some developed countries. Thus, traders keep close tabs on today's quantitative easing program announcement by the ECB. Last week, the Swiss National Bank abandoned its cap on the Swiss franc. Central banks of Denmark and Turkey cut their interest rates. In addition, all members of the Bank of England's Monetary Policy Committee voted to keep monetary policy on hold. All this happens amid clear signs of recovery of the US economy and Fed's intentions to raise the key interest rate. Yesterday, the Bank of Canada caused a market shockwave by its unexpected decision to ease its monetary policy course following the example of the European regulators. The regulator's decision to cut its key overnight lending rate by 1/4 of a percentage point triggered a collapse of the Canadian currency. As a result, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair soared by 325 pips to 1.2389. The Canadian Central Bank took this risk after a significant decline in Canada's GDP growth rate caused by a fall in oil prices. The country's inflation is also below the target level, and all this forced the regulator to change its monetary policy. And this was Daily Financial News on Insta TV. Stay tuned for more. Bye.